hope that you will take a moment to listen to my dear cousin Erline, who is living very close to me in the French side of the Basque Country.
Erline Etcheparne Broderson. Voilà, j'ai établi une connexion avec un lointain cousin d'origine australienne de la branche Henter de la famille, qui habite Guétaria dans le sud de Saint-Sébastien.
Maybe we are related and you're watching this from the Hunter family, John and Susanna Hunter. Hello, I'm Jonathan and I'm learning Reo Tahiti. In this video, you will hear me very soon try to speak in this beautiful language. I'm learning Tahitian. E a pei anau e te Reo Tahiti. But it's my first attempt at speaking Tahitian. I am from Australia and I live in Europe. No Australia mai au. E noho ana ao e Europa. My ancestors John and